Hi friends, today we learn about movements of animals. So let's start. Movement. Animals move from one place to another in search of food and water to protect themselves from enemies and to look for shelter. Movement of terrestrial animals. Most of animals living on the land have four limbs. The front limbs are called forelimbs and back limbs are called hindlimbs. Movement of human. Human beings use their hind limbs or legs to walk, stand, run and swim. The legs help them to stand straight and have an erect posture. The forelimbs or arms are used to hold objects. This is the third slide of movement. Horses, dogs, goats, tigers, giraffes, etc. walk and run on all the four limbs or legs. Kangaroo hop on their hind limbs because they are longer and stronger than their forelimbs. Movement of reptiles. Crocodiles and lizards have four short legs. They use these to crawl on the ground. Lizards can also crawl on the wall and the ceilings of our houses. Snakes do not have any legs. Movements of insects. Insects have 6 legs that help them to move. Ants and cockroaches crawl on their legs. Grasshoppers and stick insects have long hind limbs. These are used for hopping. Insects such as butterflies and dragonflies have wings for flying. These wings are made of the scales that can be in different colors. Movement of aerial animals. Most birds can fly. They have special features that help them to fly, such as a streamlined body, four limbs modified into wings, hollow bones that makes the body light, strong chest muscles that provide energy for flying. This is the second slide of movement of aerial animals. A tail to change direction while flying. Claws that help them to walk on the ground and sit or pinch on the tree branches. This is the third slide of movement of aerial animals. Some birds have large, heavy bodies and poorly developed wings, so they cannot fly. Ostrich, emus and pigeons are some examples of flightless birds. Movement of aquatic animals. Aquatic animals such as fish can swim with the help of fins. They help the fish in moving forward, turning and keeping an upright position by itself. The tail fin helps to change direction. This is the second slide of movement of aquatic animals. Ducks have webbed feet for swimming in water. Frogs also have webbed hind limbs that help them to swim. Water insects use their legs to swim. The forelegs of turtles act as paddles that help them swim by pushing the water back. Penguins use their forelimbs as flippers, which help them to swim. Kids, we have completed the movement of animals. Tomorrow we will learn about migration. And if you are not subscribed my channel, then subscribe my channel for latest update.